Let us learn something more about the changes at puberty. Children, I told you all that during adolescence, there are a lot of physical changes as well as mental changes. So let us learn about those changes in detail. What are the significant changes that you observe during this period, that is the period of adolescence? The various changes at puberty include increase in the height, voice changes, change in the body shape, increased activity of the sweat glands and the sebaceous glands, development of the sex organs, and reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. So these are the changes that you usually associate with adolescence. Now let us go over to change in the height or increase in the height. An increase in the length of the bones in the arms and the legs occur, and as a result, the person becomes very tall. Your bones are becoming longer. Bones of your hands and legs become longer, and as a result, you become taller. You might have seen on the screen that how the children look taller. That is because their length of the hands and legs are increasing. That means their bones are growing. When the length of the bones increases, definitely you look taller. So that is one of the most important change during puberty. Next change is the change in your voice. What happens at that time? But before that, let me tell you very important thing about puberty or adolescence is you should continue to have good balanced diet, a diet consisting of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, etc. Now let us discuss about the change in the body shape that is associated during puberty. There are different changes seen in the boys as well as in the girls. The broadening of shoulders take place in the boys, whereas in the girls, the region below the waist becomes wider. So all these are significant changes. They are obvious changes or visible changes. Apart from the changes that are taking place inside your body, these are the changes that can be seen externally. That means change in the body shape is also a significant change during puberty. Let me repeat, broadening of shoulders in the boys, and in the girls, the region below the waist becomes broader. The second important change during puberty is change in the voice. The change in the voice takes place as the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Generally, the boys have got a deeper voice, whereas the girls have got high-pitched voices. In the boys again, adolescent boys, I mean, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control. And as a result, the voice becomes hoarse or rough. This state may remain there for a few days or few weeks, after which the voice of the boys become normal. So these are the changes that are associated during puberty again with regard to the voice, because this change takes place because of the voice box or the larynx which starts growing. Now another significant change is the appearance of pimples or acne on your faces. Why does it happen? What are the reasons behind that? That is because during adolescence, increased activity of the sweat gland and or the sebaceous glands occur. Due to the increased activity or increased secretions of the sweat glands and the sebaceous glands, teenagers get acne and pimples on their face. Let us learn about the development of sex organs in the adolescence. You have already learned in the last chapter that the boys have got the male sex organs called the testis and the penis, which develop completely during puberty, and the testis begins to produce the male gametes called the sperms. In the girls, the ovaries also enlarge and the eggs begin to mature, and the ovaries start releasing matured eggs. These changes, about these things you have already learned in our previous chapter, but all these changes start developing during adolescence. Reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity also takes place during this period. During puberty, apart from the physical changes that we talked about, some changes also take place in the mental development, increase in the intelligence, and emotional maturity also. This is also the period when you teenagers feel insecure because of the external changes in your body as well as some internal changes that are continuously going on inside your body. So this is a period of insecurity for the teenagers. As a result, this is a very difficult period during which the parents as well as teachers have to take a lot of care.